La peluca. Peluca. La peluca. Welcome, mis amores. My name is Emily, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video is an exciting video. We are going to do a makeup look using very inexpensive makeup. And when I mean inexpensive, it's like makeup that you can find online, either very cheap or you can find in your Walmart, CVS, whatever it is. You can find it in any drugstore, and it's not that because it is cheap makeup or considered cheap makeup, it doesn't mean that you can't get a very beautiful glam face. And today, that is what we're going to do. So if you are interested in knowing how I'm gonna do this video, please keep on watching. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to hydrate my face. Hydrating your face is very important. Doesn't matter if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, it doesn't matter. If you want your foundation to look great, hydrating your face is very important. And I'm going to use this by e.l.f. and it's a daily hydration moisturizer all over my face. After that has settled into my skin, I am using this by e.l.f. as well. This is the Pore Toner Balm. After that, I'm going in with my foundation, and this is actually a new foundation for me. I decided to buy it because one of my favorite influencers, Naked Tutorials, actually raves about it. She says that it's really good, and one of my friends actually purchased it, and the coverage on it was beautiful, and I wanted to try it on myself. So this is the new foundation by Maybelline. It's a Super Stay Full Coverage, and this is in the tone 220 Natural Beige. What I noticed about the foundation right away is that you have to layer it a little bit. So I just put 2 layers of it, and it has a fair, you know, good amount of coverage. I don't know about the full coverage situation, but I mean, if you can cover these areas of my face as a foundation, to me, you are winning. For concealer today, we are going to use 2 very inexpensive concealers. And if you know me, you know that my holy grail is my ColourPop concealer. Now today we are going to mix a little bit of Wet n Wild as well, just to keep it in the same inexpensive area. Now going in with a color with the Wet n Wild. This just gives me a little bit more like skin colored coverage. And now to set all of these creams in place, I am going to take my Airspoon Loose Face Powder, and this is in the Translucent Extra Coverage. So with a big powder brush, I'm just going to take that powder and set the rest of my face. Now to bring some color into my face, I'm going to use this powder by L'Oreal. It's a True Match super blendable powder, and this is in the color Cocoa. However, this is a face powder, but I use this as contour, and I'm going to use one of my Wet n Wild brushes. Now I'm going to take the actual palette that I have here. I've been using it as a mirror, and this has a bronzer and a blush together, and this is bronzed pink beige. Now I'm actually going to take a little bit of that bronzer in the same brush that I was using, and I'm just going to warm up my skin a little bit more. But I am taking very, very little amounts of this product. Now with another Wet n Wild angled brush, I'm going to take that pink and I am going to put that as a blush. I want to contour my nose a little bit, so I'm going to go back to this powder and I'm just going to contour away. And now I'm going to set my face with the Matte Magic Mist and Set. And I'm going to apply this right before I apply my highlighter, because I feel like the highlighter just grabs onto that moisture on your face and it just makes for a better highlight. And right before that spray finishes drying, I'm going to take these two baked highlighters, and they are by e.l.f. and one of them is called Blush Gems and the other one is Moonlight Pearls. Now I'm going to set my face with that same spray again. Now that you guys are up and close with me, I'm going to start doing this eye, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my eyes with my concealer. After I do that, I take my beauty sponge and I just try to blend that as much as I can. For today's eyes, we're going to be using the Perception palette. It's the collaboration with Shayla by ColourPop, and this palette is beautiful. I've used it before and I love these colors. A Morphe M518 brush. I'm going to take that color called Culture, and that is going to be my transition shade. For my second color, I'm going to take my Morphe E17 brush and I'm going to take that shade called Thick. This I'm going to place a little bit under that transition shade. And I'm gonna go back with that M518 brush and I'm just gonna blend those two colors. Now with that same E17 brush, I'm going to take that color in the corner called Revenge. And this color is just gonna go in the outer part of my eye. And go a little up, but not too much. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut my crease, and you guys know how I do this. I apply my concealer right here, then I look up and it traces, and I finish carving. I'm going to be taking that color Thick again, and I'm just going to apply this orange shade to kind of diffuse that line between the concealer and the rest of the shadows. And I'm going to be taking that color Revenge, and I'm just going to apply it in the outer part of that eye. I'm going to be using this shadow. It's by ColourPop and it's called Arrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger on this. I didn't want to use it because I have nails and I poked my other eye trying to do this. Over top that shadow, I'm going to use the color Spill the Tea. Diffuse that line a little bit more between the eyeshadow and this glitter eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take my brush with a little bit of Thick and Revenge mixed, and I'm just gonna try to blend that out. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the color Unbothered, and I'm going to take that in my inner corner. For mascara, I'm going to use my CoverGirl mascara in black. Now for my brow, I am going to use the e.l.f. Brow Gel. Now for lips, I'm going to use my NYX or my NYX pencil, lip pencil, and it's in the color Leon. For lips, I'm going to use this ColourPop lipstick, and it's in the color Ziggy. This is the finished look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. I mean, you're already here, and your friends are gonna want to see this. They're gonna want to see this video. Follow me in my social media. My Instagram account is 3_Emily. So go ahead, follow me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, leave me a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Again, I am Emily, and thank you for watching this video, guys.